Imagine a bustling city where the streets are always buzzing and everyone knows exactly where to go. This is the world of ants, a realm where chemical communication reigns supreme. Ants leave behind pheromone trails as they move, creating an invisible map for their comrades to follow. These pheromones, unique to each species, are like whispers in the wind, carrying messages such as, "This way to food," or "Danger ahead." They're composed of an array of organic compounds, including alcohols, acids, and esters, each serving a specific purpose. In the grand scheme of things, these tiny creatures exhibit one of nature's most sophisticated forms of communication. It's a simple yet effective method, allowing ants to coordinate their movements, navigate their surroundings, and work together efficiently. So, the next time you see an ant, pause and marvel at the complex world beneath our feet, orchestrated through the power of pheromones.